Hey Cassie, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence and see ways to increase it so that we can get you more clients. And looking over your site here, I love your guys' name and logo. And you guys are helping your conversion rates with these click to call buttons. So it's great. Whoever built this site did a great job with click to call buttons. One thing that I would recommend would be to add more content here. Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. So they're looking through what this content says here, as well as what your photos are saved as before they're uploaded to your website, looking for keywords. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. Google does want to see you providing value to your readers as well. One example of a keyword is Philadelphia Mold Remediation. And whenever your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that's populating are some ads. That's definitely something to consider to increase your business. And if we scroll down, this is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you do want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these competitors here would be to have a Google business profile, which you do have, so that is great. The next thing that you'd want to do is fully optimize it. The way that you do that is have this be filled out as completely and accurately as possible. And then you'd want to add geotagged photos. Keep adding those 5-star reviews. Looks like you guys are doing well there. And then there is an about section here. You would want this as close to the 750 characters that it allows as possible. And then you would want to add citations. Citations are the most time consuming, but they are vital. And so what a citation is, it's your business name, address, and phone number in other places like Yelp. So you would want to have more citations in your local directories than your competitors. And then that way you'll get your share of that 30 to 40% here. And if we scroll down, we're in the organic listing. And 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And this is where your website would be ranking. We're at the bottom of the first page here. There's some more ads here. More than 90% of people will stay on the first page here, so you do want to be on the first page as high up as possible to get the majority of that 60 to 70%. But let's take a look at the #1 ranking business for this keyword. And if we quickly scroll through here, they also have great call to actions. Looks like you are already beating them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website, starting with Moisture Master Pros. And we are going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 34 and 8. What's making up their ratings here are the 509 backlinks that they have. And these backlinks are coming from 233 referring domains. A backlink is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. So you definitely want to be intentional with backlinks, also making sure they are relevant to your industry because Google does pay attention to that. And why is UR and DR important? UR and DR play a key role in ranking on the first page of Google. So you would want to make sure that your UR and DR are higher than your competitors, but this also goes hand in hand with buyer intent keywords. And so you want to make sure that you are being found for what you would want to be found for and being pushed to the top for those. Moisture Master Pros, they have 420 keywords on their site, and they have 65 traffic every single month. And so if we plug in your website here, you all have 27 and 5, coming from 543 backlinks, from 136 referring domains. You have 456 keywords and 69 monthly traffic as of now. So what you would want to do is you want to keep adding those high quality backlinks to keep boosting the UR and the DR, as well as adding buyer intent keywords to your site. The reason that we want to stress buyer intent is because we want to qualify the people that are landing on your site so that you are getting quality leads. And so we would want to make sure to get anyone that is buyer intent on your site for all the areas and the services that you provide. One way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. We can go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your site as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then for those buyer intent keywords, we'd want to do an extensive search. So we'd want to go through all of your competitor sites and see what keywords apply to you that they have, as well as finding all the ones that they are missing. So with a quick search of Philadelphia Mold Remediation, we can see that it populated a few good keywords here. Mold Remediation Philadelphia, 150 people are searching every single month for this. Philadelphia Mold Remediation, 30, 20. And so this is just scratching the surface. We'd want to make sure all good buyer intent keywords are on your site. And then just a quick recap so that you are getting more clients for yourself. You would want to optimize your Google business profile by adding those geotagged photos, 5-star reviews, filling out your about section, and adding local citations to get that 30 to 40% of business share for yourself, and then to get the 60 to 70% in the organic listing as much as possible for yourself. You'd want your website ranking for all the keywords and the areas that you service. You would do that by having quality content on your site to support those keywords, as well as making sure to have high quality backlinks to your site so that you are being pushed to the top and being found for what you would want to be found for. And I hope that this video was helpful. I look forward to hearing from you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.